Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make spaghetti sauce with Roma tomatoes. First, select about 2 pounds of ripe Roma tomatoes, as their firm flesh and low seed count are ideal for sauce. Wash and core each tomato, then blanch them in boiling water for approximately 30 seconds. This quick dip helps loosen the skins, making them easy to peel. After peeling, roughly chop the tomatoes, preparing them for the next steps in our delicious sauce. Next, in a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Sauté 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1/2 of a chopped onion until softened and fragrant, about 5 minutes. Add your chopped Roma tomatoes, 1/4 cup of fresh basil, and season with salt and black pepper to taste. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce heat to low. Let it cook for at least 30 minutes or up to 2 hours, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Once your sauce has simmered, you can decide on its texture. For a rustic sauce, simply leave it as is. If you prefer a smoother consistency, use an immersion blender directly in the pot or carefully transfer the sauce to a food mill. Taste and adjust the seasonings, adding a pinch of sugar if the tomatoes are a bit too acidic. Finally, stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley just before serving to brighten the flavors. Your delicious homemade Roma tomato spaghetti sauce is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it generously over your favorite pasta, perhaps with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Any leftover sauce can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or frozen for longer preservation. It's perfect for quick weeknight meals. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.